In this lecture, we'll explore the backdrop panel. Go ahead and expand it by clicking the arrow next to backdrop. The first option we have in the backdrop panel is color wash. Place a check mark in the color wash checkbox if you'd like to add a washout effect or gradient to your existing background color. So watch the difference when I uncheck the box versus when I check it. You'll notice a gradient effect in the background color there. If you want to change the color of the washout effect, you can just select the color picker and choose whichever color you'd like your original color to transition to. You can change the opacity of the washout effect, the angle. You can also replace your background color with a background image by placing a check mark in the background image checkbox. So once you do that, it's going to ask you to drag the background image from your film strip to this area here. So let's go ahead and find an image we can use. I'll add this here. And you can see that the background has been applied to the slide. If you want to decrease the opacity, you can do that as well. And then you'll see your washout effect start to come through the image as well. The next panel we have here is titles. The titles panel allows us to add an intro and ending screen to our slideshow presentation. So you can start by placing a check mark in the intro screen and ending screen checkboxes. Now this is assuming you want both. You can opt to have just one or the other if you like. Also place a check mark in the Add Identity Plate checkbox. And when you do that, you'll see a preview of what your intro screen will look like. You can see the identity plate text occupies the first intro screen now. The override color will change the background of your intro and end screen. So if you want to change the background color of your intro screen, choose a color from here. And that's what that'll look like. You can increase the size of the text of your identity plate by using the scale slider here. If you want to change the color of the text of your identity plate, place a check mark in this box, and then you can change the text color to whichever color you prefer. We also have the ending screen, and we have all the same adjustment options that we had for the intro screen for the ending screen as well. So we can change the color. We can add our identity plate, scale it, and change the color of the text. So later on when we preview our slideshow, we'll be able to see the intro and ending screen.